Have you ever felt weighed down by past actions or decisions, as if they hold you back from experiencing true joy and fulfillment? You're not alone. Many of us carry the burden of what we perceive as negative karma, a concept originating from ancient philosophies that suggests our actions have consequences that can affect our current and future lives. But what if there was a way to erase this negative karma in just one day? Today, we'll explore a method that has shown promising results for countless individuals seeking to lighten their karmic load and lead a more harmonious life. Before looking into the method to erase negative karma, it's crucial to grasp what karma means. The term karma has its roots in ancient Indian philosophies and is often interpreted as action or deed. It implies that our actions, whether good or bad, have consequences that can manifest in our lives, sometimes immediately and other times in the future. This concept isn't confined to philosophical or religious texts. It's something many intuitively understand and observe in our daily interactions and life events. In this context, negative karma refers to the consequences of actions that have caused harm or distress to others or ourselves. It's believed that such actions can create obstacles, preventing us from experiencing true happiness and fulfillment. Understanding this concept is the first step towards recognizing the importance of addressing and rectifying our past actions to improve our present and future life experiences. The journey to erasing negative karma begins with acknowledgement and acceptance. This is not about dwelling on past mistakes or berating oneself, but recognizing that our past actions have shaped our current reality. Acceptance is a powerful tool. It allows us to take responsibility for our actions without being held captive by guilt or regret. This process involves deep introspection, reflecting on past actions and their consequences, and acknowledging the hurt or harm caused. It's about coming to terms with the fact that while we cannot change the past, we have the power to influence our future through the choices we make today. This acknowledgement is the foundation upon which the rest of the method is built, as it opens our hearts and minds to the possibility of change and healing. The third step to erasing negative karma revolves around the power of intention. Intentions are the seeds from which actions grow. They are the underlying motivation for everything we do. To change the nature of our karma, we must first refine our intentions, ensuring they align with the values of kindness, compassion, and positivity. Setting a positive intention daily can significantly shift how we interact with the world. It involves a conscious decision to act with love, understanding, and respect for others and ourselves. This doesn't mean one must be perfect or never face negative thoughts. Instead, it's about consistently guiding those thoughts and actions toward a more positive outcome. This step is crucial because it directly influences our actions, steering us from repeating past mistakes and fostering a cycle of positive karma. Following the establishment of positive intentions, the next step involves putting these intentions into action through acts of kindness and generosity. This is where the concept of erasing negative karma becomes tangible. By actively seeking opportunities to contribute positively to the lives of others, we create a ripple effect of goodwill and positivity that benefits the recipients and enriches our own lives. This part does not prescribe grand gestures or significant financial contributions. Instead, It emphasizes the importance of everyday acts of kindness. This could be as simple as offering a genuine compliment, volunteering time to help a community project, or assisting someone in need without expecting anything in return. The essence of this step is the selfless giving of oneself to spread joy and alleviate the burdens of others. Such actions are decisive because they directly counteract previous negative actions, creating a balance in the cosmic ledger. More importantly, they foster a sense of connection and empathy, reminding us of our shared humanity and the impact we can have on each other's lives through simple, thoughtful gestures. Continuing our journey towards erasing negative karma, we arrive at a crucial step: the practice of forgiveness. Forgiveness is a powerful act that can liberate both the forgiver and the forgiven from the chains of past actions. It involves letting go of resentment, anger, and hurt that may have accumulated over time due to one's actions or the actions of others. Forgiving does not mean condoning wrong behavior or forgetting the harm caused. Instead, it's about releasing the hold that these negative emotions have on us, which can be a significant barrier to personal growth and happiness. This step requires a profound reflection on past grievances, an open heart, and a willingness to move forward without the burden of past resentments. Practicing forgiveness starts with oneself. Many of us carry guilt and self-blame for past mistakes, which can be a source of negative karma. By forgiving ourselves, we acknowledge our human capacity for error and our ability to grow and learn from these experiences. Similarly, extending forgiveness to others who may have wronged us can free us from negative energy cycles and open the path to healing and positive relationships. While we move forward, cultivating gratitude is another essential element in erasing negative karma. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to the abundance in our lives. This positive mindset can transform our perspective, enabling us to see the good in situations and to appreciate the lessons even in challenging experiences. Cultivating gratitude involves recognizing and appreciating the value of the people, experiences, and trials that have contributed to our growth. It can be practiced through simple daily rituals, such as keeping a gratitude journal, where one records things they are thankful for daily. This practice helps to reinforce positive emotions and encourages a broader appreciation for life's many gifts. Gratitude enhances our emotional well-being and promotes generosity, empathy, and kindness towards others. By appreciating what we have, we are more inclined to share our blessings with those around us, generating positive karma. This cycle of gratitude and generosity creates a nurturing environment for positive change and personal development. One of the most transformative practices for erasing negative karma is accepting mindfulness and living in the present moment. Mindfulness involves paying full attention to our current experiences without judgment. It teaches us to observe our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings with a sense of openness and curiosity, rather than being caught up in regrets about the past or worries about the future. This practice can significantly impact our ability to make positive choices and respond to life's challenges with compassion and wisdom. By being mindful, we become more aware of our actions and their potential consequences, allowing us to choose paths that contribute to positive karma. Mindfulness can be cultivated through various practices, including meditation, conscious breathing, and even engaging fully in everyday activities, ensuring that each action is intentional and aligned with our values. Living in the present moment encourages us to appreciate life as it unfolds, recognizing the beauty and opportunity in the now. This awareness can lead to a more profound sense of contentment and a reduction in actions that might contribute to negative karma, as we are less likely to act impulsively or out of sync with our true intentions. Another vital step in erasing negative karma is connecting with a supportive community. Humans are inherently social beings, and the people we surround ourselves with can significantly influence our thoughts, actions, and overall outlook on life. A supportive community can provide encouragement, inspiration, and accountability as we work towards positive change. Engaging with a community of like-minded individuals committed to personal growth and positive actions can bolster our efforts to erase negative karma. This can take many forms, from participating in group meditation or volunteering activities, to joining online forums or local clubs focused on self-improvement and spiritual growth. Sharing experiences, challenges, and successes can provide valuable perspectives and insights, enhancing our journey toward a more positive and fulfilling life. Being part of a community allows us to contribute to the collective well-being, creating positive karma for ourselves and those around us. It reinforces the idea that our actions have a broader impact, and that by supporting each other, we can create a ripple effect of positivity and transformation. A crucial aspect of erasing negative karma and fostering a life filled with positive actions and outcomes is the commitment to perpetual learning. This involves recognizing that growth and self-improvement are ongoing processes without a definitive endpoint. By accepting a mindset geared towards learning, we open ourselves to new perspectives, skills, and ways of being that can significantly contribute to our karmic transformation. Perpetual learning goes beyond formal education or acquiring new information. It encompasses a deep, introspective journey where we continuously explore our beliefs, behaviors, and their impact on our lives and the world around us. This process encourages us to remain curious and open-minded, willing to question and adjust our actions in alignment with our highest values and the greater good. Engaging in regular self-reflection, seeking out new experiences, and being open to feedback are all part of this learning journey. These practices help us to stay aligned with our intentions, make conscious choices, and adapt to life's challenges with resilience and grace. They remind us that every moment presents an opportunity to learn and grow, contributing to a positive karmic path. We conclude our video to erase negative karma. It's important to remember that this process is a journey, not a destination. It provides a framework for initiating positive change, but the actual transformation is a deeply personal experience that unfolds over time. Patience, commitment, and compassion for oneself and others are essential qualities as we go through this path. We end with a message of empowerment and hope. Regardless of past actions or the challenges we face, we can positively impact our lives and the world around us. Adopting the practices discussed can erase negative karma and start a fulfilling journey toward a brighter, more harmonious future. Remember, every step taken with intention and kindness is a step towards a better world for ourselves and future generations. The journey of erasing negative karma is continual learning, growth, and transformation. It is a journey well worth starting, offering rewards of peace, joy, and deep satisfaction in the interconnectedness of all things.